Welcome to my channel, Life in the Matrix. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So this is the business end of the F-16. They've got the F-16C, D and D+. And that's been also in the Singapore Airforce for quite some time. Flies at Mach 2, service ceiling of 50,000 feet. The F-16C has a single pilot, the F-16D is 2 pilots, and the F-16D Plus is 1 pilot and 1 weapons systems officer. It's got 20mm cannon, air-to-air missiles, the AIM-9, the AIM-120 air-to-air missile, Maverick air-to-ground missile, AGM-65, general-purpose bombs, laser-guided bombs, you name it. In short, it's a killing machine. I would suggest you stay away from the front end of this and be the good guy, or be even better, qualify and get to fly one of these as a pilot, male or female. You can still be a pilot regardless. Fighter, helicopter, transport, any of these. What are we looking at here? The H225M. It's a medium lift helicopter. 400 nautical miles range, that's 741 kilometers. Max speed 175 knots. So like I said, just multiply by 2, you'll get it in kilometers per hour. Awesome. ES-70B Seahawk, naval helicopter. Singapore Air Force Navy. Just what you're looking at. And this is the G550 Gulfstream Airborne Early Warning System. Max speed 0.82 Mach, 9 hours endurance and a service ceiling of 41,000 feet. 2 pilots and 6 air warfare officers. I'm so excited, I'm kind of stumbling over my words. Well, I've been in aviation 37 years, it still excites me, huh? Once an aviator, always an aviator. The CH-47, the Chinook, as it is known as, heavy lift. It's tandem rotor, that means tandem rotors. 1 rotor in the front and 1 rotor in the back. It's unique to this Boeing built Chinook. This is not technically the Air Force, but it is on display here from the Singapore Youth Flying Club. And this is the Diamond DA-40. It's a trainer aircraft for young cadets to learn how to fly. And the Singapore Youth Flying Club is based at Seletar, WSSL. That's the other airport here in Singapore. We've got Changi, we've got Paya Lebar, we've got the Tengah Air Base, and we've got Seletar, which is private jets mostly and a commercial flight going to Malaysia. Also operating from Seletar. But right now I'm at the Paya Lebar Air Base. The open house, the Republic of Singapore Air Force.